Hello people, welcome back to Cookie and Zoki. It's a beautiful day. We're out and about and just enjoying some twisties. I'm not complaining, it's wonderful. It is 21 degrees Celsius outside, at least right here. I was up at 25 earlier, which I'm not complaining about either because it's rather cool wind, which is nice. So I'm on vacation. I'm not going to travel far, and be gone from home for several days or a week or so because, well, I got my little Dewey back home and he kind of needs me. And according to the law, I need to check on him at least once a day, which I'm not complaining on, because if I don't check on him at least once a day or at least 10 times a day, I miss him. So I'm going to do a couple of day trips, just enjoying some nice roads here and there. I have no idea what road this is, but it said it leads to Vänersborg. And well, if it does, it does, and if it don't or doesn't, then well, I'll end up someplace else. I got my GPS in case I lose my way and need to, well, find my way back home rather quick. So far, I don't. I've been out for 4 hours, and so far, this one takes me to Färgelanda, Vänersborg. I'm gonna go. Sorry, I don't usually stutter. I'm gonna go towards Vänersborg, just because I never do that for some reason. So I'm gonna do that today. Helges spår. Helges track. Well, okay. This is a small community. It probably has a name. I don't know what it is though. And that's kind of something I do really. Oh, that one looks fun. Just switch the tires out and you can have so much fun on that one. But yeah, it's a small community somewhere in western Sweden. And that's a yellow house with purple windows. That was really ugly. I'm so sorry, but it was horrible. Oh my god, it really hurt my eyes. Ooh. Anyways, yep. Someone was drunk while they picked out the colors for the house, and then they were drunk while they painted it too. As a motorcycle, I don't know where that takes me. We'll go to Vänersborg. Oh, it was a stigen. It was the path. That is a fun name for a community. The path. That's fun. The path. Never heard that one before, but now I have. I didn't know we had one. Well, we do have a lot of paths in Sweden. I just didn't know we had a community called the path. Oh, that is nice. Oh, I like it. I got a BMW in my ass. Anyways, this is a rather nice road actually. It's twisty and it's good tarmac. Some tarmac road that I've been riding today have been horrible. I mean, it's like you try to lay the bike down and it goes like bonk, bonk, bonk on the tarmac, and you're like, I'm going to end up somewhere, I don't know where, but somewhere, and it's gonna hurt. And this one is actually really smooth and soft. Not soft perhaps, because if I crash it's gonna bloody hurt, but it's smooth and nice, and I like it. And I actually realized that if I go this way I can somehow and maybe end up on my favorite gravel roads, if I'm lucky. At least some of them. Or I'll just ride tarmac. To say, the road to take, to find a way back to your heart. What can I do to get to you and find a way back to your heart? Göteborg. Oh, that was a gravel road. How sad. Don't do anything to set things right, but your love is so amazing. Baby, you're the best thing in my life. Your love is real. But you feel the way I feel. I would give my girl. And it would tell me, girl, the words to say, the road to take, to find a way back to your heart. What can I do to get to you and find a way back to your heart? So, this is really nice. I've never been on this road before. Look at this, it's beautiful. I still got that BMW up my ass, but I'm going to enjoy. If he wants to pass me, he can just bloody pass me. Tell me the words to say, the road to take. Oh, that's a cool tree. Way back to your house. Dannefors. What kind of name is that? Well, that could have been a nice road, actually. Oh, I lost the BMW. How about that? Way back to your heart. What can I do? Go my knees and find a way back to your heart. Where to take to find a way back to your heart. Okay. Maybe I'm just gonna take the next right that says like something like fun gravel road this way. But they never say that. They just say like this place this way, and I don't know where this place is. Oh, did I find a 70 sign? Yeah, I did, somewhere. Do, 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 do. This one takes another step till it opens the door. Just to be safe and all the broken glass and furniture around the floor. And after night screaming, now it's time to get away. Pack up the kids in the car and take to kind of hide another alibi to write. Another ditch in the road, you keep moving. Another stop sign, you keep moving on. The years go by so fast, and well, we never made it through. Forest! To forest! Oh, let's go this one. Let's try this one. I have no idea where this one is. Let's just try it out. It's a small tarmac road. Get to the trail and get there. It's an amazing thing. The pretty barns and hood cars and another cheap motel. 2 beds and a coffee machine. And groceries to buy. There you know she's got to go home. Another ditch in the road, you keep moving. Another stop sign.